Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwote nenye. Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwote ne. Imwoe Nee Chitab Kalenjin ilele nenye. Chitab Kalenjin ngororiote itebelega imilene kwatindoni kotoi kolega imilangi nekimwachin kikimwoe en wikit konye kurorina nyingonamgei Chitab Kalenjin ak kasarta epchechito Chitab Kalenjin emwaura.
Karibuni biikab Kalenjin kebeberwek tugul chosubech chotakatit eng tetutietab Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin kakiwege eng betutab rani kemi episode number 74 kong'ete holiday nekokimi akewege kimi hewani kityo imwawech ile inamchine chano eng kemboutab rani akere Arab Sajin all the way from Western Australia. Asante sana. Ameche kityo asom ale ongelaikan ongeshean show nebo betutab rani sikimuch keityi biik chechang kabisa eng kemboutab rani. Kimi komie ngole kebeberta neb Adelaide South Australia mi harakati kakitokyigei chakikure Sama tesetai kowalak emet kobunu winter lakini no kechamegei eng emetab ole Adelaide South Australia. Mwawech kityo kasubik chok ile inamchine chano eng kemboutab rani akere chitab Nakoya City noto ko Evans Keitany ng'ete olimbo kebeberta nebo Nakoya City emetab olimbo Chaban. Asante sana. Ang members chechok tugul kikimwechi kongoi eng episode nekisirtoi noto ko kikimi episode 73 yekikimi kebebertab olimbo Brazil akokimande kora kebe kebeberta nebo emetab ke eng betutab rani. Ameche kityo kasubik chok tugul ngot komi chi nemuchi iityi ishianji show nebo betutab rani sikosikyi ketestai kotiketestai kelitkei. Kikimi harakati kitesetai election kokichang alak chekitesetai lakini kitinye new president kokotestai sobet kama kawaida akewege kimi hewani. Kongoi Arab Sajin all the way Western Australia, Evans Keitany ak biik chechang chamamwa ale meche sikoingian. Kongoi biik chekiityech kora Daktari Joel Kimeto ak biik chechang kabisa chekotebeni kole umyeno akewege kimi back to hewani. Balozi wamune ngolimbo kebeberta nebo Wayo ak akere engineer kora kakoit ami
kongoi osea kongoi kasubik chok ak kastoik chok tugul ko kikoeken kitoeken kitegen lakini onyoiwekat chang biik chekitebena Josea kole omyeno kole mi biik chekisirwe kole we've been enjoying and we've missed the program kimeche kelecho kokebwa kong'eteke kaking'etye anan kakimuny kitegen Osea kosubkei ak nakimwa kelen sabbatical leave nekikokiib kosubkei ak tuguk ng'isiat kimi ng'alekab elections ki some of us ko kikibe campaignen keyai tuguk chekikiyai ko Osea ngolin ko kiwo kot kopir kura ko kiawo kot akine kotapir kura ngolimbo DC tukyo tugul cho so kichang'a tukyotok kong'eteke kakitar ngolimbo Brazil kimeche kemwoiwo kele kinyaki interviewen coach ngolimbo Brazil ko kinyawo ole kiwendi ko kipkobelis kimeche kemwa kongoi coach ak timing'ung nekibibelishe eng olimbo Europe ak akere otesetai komie so kikoek borotet programini eng biik chechang kikere biik chekikiinterviewen ko kanyokwai tuguk cheechen akotesetai kokonech anan kokoni information kokochin bororiet kimeche kemwa kongoi eng akwek tugul. Kisome kityo kele likean ak ishean this program asikobit ketestai. Rani kemi episode number 74 koking'etyo ngolimbo Brazil akeba akoi China kimi China eng betutab rani agere taonyo kakonyo sikemwoiwo kele kikure ng'o ak agere engineer kemwa osea ile otou samangolo kimeche ketokchigei winter ngole ngatokolalang kebendi ketokchinigei winter so osea betutab rani ko kakiwal sait kakiweke let sait agenge koeku confuse maana ole kakinaktae kwo tai anan kalya so lakini ngano kechomegei so kokinaktae sait kosubkei ak winter nemeche konyo ko unoto emoni lakini ngano kechomegei kongoi Kenneth Barno Evans imite kebebertab Japan meche sikebwa Japan kiro kele mi ne kebeberatak chang tuguk chekororon kebebertab Japan kongoi arap Sajin eng olo imitei ak chi age tugul neisubech mwoiwech ile isubech imyeno engineer kotomo akurin engineer ameche kityo akur taonyo kokatech inendet kekure Joel K Langat Joel K Langat komitei kebeberta nebo China kimeche kityo ikatech ile chamgei sikonai biik ole imi siketebe engineer kele une atya ketou tetutiet Joel.
Thank you very much. Kongoi kabisa en kasarta nekakenyoru. Chamgei biik chok bo Kalenjin. Kongoi.
Kongoi arap Langat komite kebeberta nebo China sikekas o China nebo man ko akerin jua arabet kongoi nye jua akerin Mildred Tanui ko kongoi yabwoti ale isubet komite Middle East anan imyeno ko engineer imyeno imi magere tarajerani agere tilwet mangen ale imi Mount Kenya anan imi Mount Ngiro lakini angen ale imi America komi tulondo kole kora.
Kongoi balozi ak Hosea kongoi kora eng taonyo nebo rani kilen karibu missing Joel from China ak kasubik chok tugul chekakotunen in rani ameche akatak tugul ale chamgei angen ale kikoek keny lakini kakeweke rani ako kiboiboen nebo man. Angot akine ko kianyoru text ak messages kolen biik kiko-inspire the program kimeche kotaweke and we are very happy. Kakimutwa ak taonyo nebo rani eng episode number 74. Abaibai ane balozi amite Florida. Lalang oli kora kuye kakemwa ako ngakitokchinigei winter lakini kiboiboen and I am very excited ketau program kokeny.
Kongoi nye abwati kakekas osea ko kitinye new president eng olo bo Kenya kiboiboi nebo man kongoi ngakere serikali kokechop mite CSS PSS ak cho tugul cho so kimwoe kongoi ak akere kora abaibai neu ane amu atinye two schoolmates chemitei PS ak akere kora kitinye CS neki my schoolmate noto ko Murkomen Kipchumba soman St. Patrick's so kiboiboen achek eng St. Patrick's ko kongoi eng akwek tugul chekiamuch obir kura chekiosapoten ole kimite chi bate kimwoe kongoi ko kebendi ketesetai ko kila kemeche keker kele kinyorchine kebeberita bo China kotomo ketou tetutiet eng betutab rani ko China ko emet neo eng emotinwek chebo dunia abwoti ale emet agenge nekit ko emet neo mite kolo masire namba 3 amu eng koindo indoito olimbo Russia sokorub olimbo Canada uni sokorub China lakini indoito ng'alekab biik tindoi square miles chebite 4,387,815 miles anan jokilen square miles kilometers ko nekit 11,364,389 kilometers square. Tindoi population nebo biik indoito eng dunia tindoi eng 2021 kokotindoi 1.4 billion biik eng census chotok namba agenge eng dunia. Mogornotetab emoni ko $18.4 trillion namba aeng eng dunia rubekei ak America. Per capita income ko ngamu chang biik komi ng'ony tindoi 12,990 noto ko namba 56 eng dunia komugul. Tuguk che kimuchi keteb kele mite olindok ko nekit emonitok Ko emet netai nekishoko discover ng'oliono kile toilet paper nekiboisie kishoko discover majanik cho kimwoe kele en Kenya kondoitoi eng majanik ko kibunu ng'alekab majanik olimbo China. Ng'alekab hesabuk, you know, the concepts cho kiboisie ku decimal ko kitounege kebeberitak. Engineer ongen ale chome hesabuk ole king'ete the concept nebo decimal ko olimbo China. Mwaat kora kele Chinese ko ki biik chetai kotoi ng'alek konai kole ng'oliotab blood circulation ing borto. Isha konai bichu ino namba oeng second century kisha ko discover ing second century kole mi ng'alekab circulation chebo korotik chesungukani borto. Mi ng'oliot nekekure the Great Wall of China ne noto komekani kikiteche ing 7 BC. Noto ko one of the 7 wonders of the world. Tuguk chechang chekichobe eng dunia ko nekit 70% kobunu China. Ngisub ki age tugul nekiyoe nekikiyai kere ile made in China, iwe ne made in China, iwe ne made in China. 70% chebo tuguk chekiboisie kobunu kebeberatak. So nginyekeweke kora emonitok komwaat kele kikonyor emperors anan kandoik chekikure emperors 500 eng emonito chekikondochi emoni. So ikere ile it's a very old country. Mite kora mogoriot agenge nemite olindo nekile Jack Ma, one of the richest people in the world kobunu kebeberatak. Mi ng'alekab investment kikokilgei kabisa eng kebeberita ba China. 2008 ko China ko kihosten Olympic Games eng olimbo Beijing ako spenden karibu $40 billion. So ikere ile China ko kikokilgei. Oloto kole kakinyorchi taonyo anan episode number 74 noto ko inendet Joel Arap Langat. Meche siko kityo imwoiwech ile imi taonit ingiro. You know, mongen ale biik chechang kokase kityo kole China ko ngokase kolen ngap koyok barua chi kole ipkineiwo chito nemi China. China ko nekisise kityo. So Beijing ko olimbo Shanghai ko banda tugul ko ole mite murenono ko sikomwoiwech kole mite taonit ingiro. Ko kibendi ketesetai kong'etege yutok kemeche siketou ketepsi anan kisub atindiotab inendet Joel Arap Langat komite kebebertab China. Ko ole kibetitoi Arap Langat kebendi keoltaneteni so toiwech, you know, because kikoek yebawi aketinye engineer kebendi nakilen ladies first ang yebata kosub osea keoltaneteni kunotok unless komike a follow up questions so kobit ketestai. Ko kimeche sitoiwech engineer Janet yekibendi ketesetai. Ko Arap Langat, feel free iboisie Kiingereza, iboisie Kiswahili, iboisie Kalenjin ak Chinese. Lakini ngiboisie Chinese abwoti ale ko floteni osea ak anendet ak biik chechang. Lakini kimeche sikokenai ko ngot ikose Chinese amu ara ngot imi olotok ko kikas ng'oliondoni ako how long does it take to learn Chinese? And you know, not just learning Chinese, ingele melen kinetkei language akwek ngulo ko lazima kinetkei the language atya inetkei ole kisirtoi ng'alechu chukere kechokoran kole. So engineer simwoiwech mongen, I don't know if you speak Chinese, lakini sikekas mara kokase Arap Langat. Ko engineer karibu.
Kongoi balozi, Chinese changen wangen kichunga ni hao, that's it. That's to say hi, I believe. But kakobek chiyotok chechuk chebo Chinese ngawe kutit kityo sikomwaiwech Joel. So Joel, kimeche ketau korok kenai kele kitaunege ano bandang'ung. Kikisikchin ano ako mwawech who is Joel, kikisikchin ano, kibitune ano, where were you raised, kiwe sukul ano, ako kiune the process anan kiune growing up eng inyenet ako mwawech kidogo akobo your family. Karibu Joel.
Okay. So kongoi mising amangu ale tebutik kiuen mising kele ingo yani umay konwa changan sa sait age na nage umay koko lakini koi ni nan kityo kebe ukugero in ketebe ni si sana kibore no in CS ko maga to mai in kablenyi lakini amache kityo kebe kele in en kainet ku yon kakemwa ko in Joel Langat abunu Kericho County en biik chechang meng'et ko in amenye malo en Kericho Town kibore Kipchumba lakini kiau anyone yoto nibuch ine ko en gaa en biik chon ingen ko chepsio sait age kemwoe kele in chesinende en biik chon ingen oret nebune yono ko chang in viasinik chekioldo en oret en chebunu Kuresoi as kongele bunu Kuresoi kinge kele ng'o cheibwech kora in viasinik choto kobwa chepsion so nebuch ine ko in en gaa ko matalo en chepsion kibore Kimugul Village as ko Kimugul Village ine ko kyo kora Kimugul Primary School kongeten nursery ko the same in nursery ageba the same in the same primary school. So in fact I started nursery school in 1984. I think that was the time. Nursery nagimagay in kitabusiat ang ale marising engineer. Kigibendi bu jine aksiyet kide so bagay as kwesi ore tenyo no ko nang ko nyugari ko butan juga ni nam ko rai itoki nam yota so that was the time ago gi muche gi teben ko itagora gi teben ko tunge ko ne class aga kido we no gi bagi teben ko in ko gi magi ngeno kelam in ui kasi tigere nguno sin ge ge le na gi ui kasi la gi en yot gi magi kuito si gele gi ui. So that was a time we progress, and from that time we have one in our class 1, I go in class 8 in the same school. I remember one get to class 8, go in Kyo Mingin missing, level of it secondary. You won't get to move to that time. Gele on the teeth, like a map, but like a negative, see, your mission, I what you want more, but I got your mission. Remember, I see you too, so that was the time. I'll get to that time, and in 1993, I get to class 8. I remember that time, me class 8 going. I was almost like confident about some of the things. Ot kumat ko young and early ticket too. So what to among results on your 95 among all the bag I'm going to go to my put that record in school. Among Kiabet one get the heroes. Like in Osage, those ones. Now going live, going no more among all the time I game more at you taking wing. Line we mogi take a lewy gas rata ni and wing cook a gas. Tamon, he get it too. Bogi mi anyon missing yon ni ti ko magit ti chani ko yot ka sa yuen ti su la jo wong ga ge no ni ge TV so bogi git ti nei ni ngoin ku no ta ge vendi school now one king at primary school class 8 on your in fact yon do in the school that time like no we more chang mak su ongi 493 we talk about a lot in 700 I think in Tekejapo's high school that time as this was the time now I realized that I go my go ga sit in go go nu di ma go in science secondary school nam nai but so we give me high school go Kigito Tekejapo's high school that was the time nagi in the girls of the boys. So in fact, I thought about the admission and you know admission 031 that time. Among at that time. And then eventually up to indexing numbers into because we had some group of 3 or 4 classes that time. So usually the first one, the second one. Now it happens that King gave me form 4 in high school that time. He performing well in Kericho. So at school the performing most of the time. Ways change on your some log in qualifying for that case. Most of the things. So eventually get that time. So King Gege was 1998. Our school, the boys, Kogi Gage holding the results because there was some leakage. So we knew the leakage before. Among give me group 3, usually called class 3. Kogi tambule no ya chiba wang kapasa among king and sab ko lagi ru ko so through the question go the question lagene kaya in a wrong way gele go benu tu le na gele gilo. So when we were results this thing go a lot. So eventually get all the results. But because I think BOG what get marking the jaggy affected, won't get deal and then jot and get release results after a month. After a month after you go get release and go has. So that time we were very sure. I'm only out of 100 and something students. We usually go in the university 100, and I was usually top 20. So I was like, I'm going. So going to market results, Kogi Babi going in university that time. I think 2 or 3. He got to be in the two. But in my thing, I go level see chang juga besar. I'm a jogging mammy attack. It even line of it was gift of not. So one point, Nagi Motonyo was our university. But again, another 10 years, so our university at that time. So it was really challenging. Amun gingatar munonoton anya wega giguron dead master anya net in Sabu Chugigos in 95 and the primary. As I remember my first salary go 1,200. Kogi chang later.
Koi Arab Langat abwat yo lagashi wetai tabin yungole Thomas Mongen sokotokote in engineer kameje in Mwalimu, kitinye siblings? Do you have siblings?
Yeah.
And how was it growing up for you? Senya keweke, abwat
Okay.
yala sokote in engineer kole in kigo inyoru watangele kele kichilil kai si Mwalimu jile kiata jota.
Yeah. So and that your siblings, I'm the last born and go no gele kono cooking gele in kitindo in polygamy is my father. Okay, kitindo okay go no okay 5. Go no as the other one go is 7. So we are total of 12. And then go get one and unit. I also have a family and children. I think 5 children. I think he got service again and give away in more right. I think 5. The last one in grade 2. Yeah. I got the first born with me third year in university.
So engineer ta style.
Kongoi Joel eng pandangung nebo sukuli. Kamache te kuya ka mwabalozi kole kinyoru ne eng sukuli ako swali age ne kamache satep kora ko kimutin ano yotok after high school kiyai tos kiyai kibarua age tugul where did your journey lead you? Angen ale kaile kitekan in 10 years Seat University.
Yeah.
What was that journey in about 10 years? Karibu.
Kenyoru C+ that time. And that time going this being sure go inyogo matiangi I think. Naging ganile ninyoru C+ ko you are qualified whether or not. Lakini nenga sarta nyone ko giwendi bare ina ambition ni bare gelling kanere ko arongo ge shifted. So we got your C+. You qualified university like in message in Lewendi. So by that time, we couldn't say that time. What you go apply and all much I was track more in accounting because that is what much missing. It was only that my father passed on when I was in class 5. So we are checking some minute. But you know if you one of my uncles in much accounting. Okay. Pan kinyoge ne ma rorchi le kamay le provincia ke ne kuli chi to robi ne ai ale kul mi chi ne mongen gui robi in emon si ngeti. sibo yityi ana ala ka lochi ni ole aja ja kama kiwa ke jabo jabo jana na la to yen aya kidogo ko ngolole agi mai aman ko le agi ni ka tar ko we ni on efficient primary school ngolole le so chingi ko ni tisu ngo kas ko kas kile inge jutto o chingi ne to na so eventually ko kingi ko itane ka boy ni ko sore man master kitinda sa influence ko sore master nga na tabi nyo lo ka parwe mo baro ko age lo in ta ne ko ge kan kapsa age nam ge ai ram bin ni ge chang kan no ta to that one I mean to go to college na mi ki kuyu that type so I did not mo ge ro li ga bin ma ko sa kyo ge ra na okay a tinye yu kyo endi la ge ne ko nyoru wa ni ko nyoru mai jani a ko nam sabari so we know me you know most of the time we used to talk in everything among Kenyone talking the bigger one. So Kingi Gesu to get but by the examination college we are passing on my brother, the elder brother. So who won't have a 10 kilo the sitting and so on and so forth. So on your good grades in your however, come on you you know. Có cái nhìn mà như thế bên chỉ lên này mấy cái là ban hoàn mấy cái liền có bao nhiêu mà cái tự nhiên so that one now go on that time you know so nhớ cái này t-shirt thì nó nên private schools mà ngồi lên cái lo cái trang chấp mi a professor này mi elder mo university that time but professor Adam Jepon cái tao đấy nó có nam school là một cái idea nào school so cái nam school ngan có pick and the school very well to not transfer now another one the negative so in fact I was the head teacher that one and the other one so we get to school among in again after side another branch the one the academy so I was the head teacher there for some time so we used to work fast like to know in it is easy to negotiate something younger in the work fast qua mong cho mà khi nghe sam money gole có kita mà cho cái programs ago le go ne to con gai go sự có cái in the direct when you went in negotiation is samra vi ni kun mo ko nyam it is something wonderful mo gi go itoy ni mo gi le nong ye go sự ba ke so in fact most of the things ye gi nyor we ni to even the teachers say mi ga na to gi nyor good pay because of the strategy we do fast to magengi ole uomi ni te bigo to kwa dai ra ole uomi ga ne ho ai u chok ta yon ile ni ko ni mwa ko le ne ko ne nya mun kwa ka ga cham si gi ga ko cham everyone we need to chip in age nyoru that so we nam some preps ki nam ne some reading age chap ba culture in the school ne gi go chabo le in we don't want to know writing ile ngo yani ko agenge yani mama yana ile chip to ni wo ngete ni ki job once kora paka nen ko nyor ne gi ni nam la kweti na ile ka tunu writing ka tunu ngalale I remember insisting in class 1 no nursery or la ma chi ge ngalale gre sa in so go gi barjing ge log within very short time ko ngalo in English and the village so I was the head teacher then and then during that time ko I found out that you're looking a lot in a way. I counseling that time. So that was the time also I counseling negative given the Rusa certificate in counseling. Okay, specifically, so dealing those students are weak among your IT or it is not the ability, it is something else. Okay, that one. So I used to go there. Now realizing that okay, never got negative satire. Is no nearly. Ko to libon so ko la jama ni ko I ne libon yo la ja ko for myself so that one after
arab langat ki go inetisya ko tianit ng yu inetisya nyu to mo yu university sa bwat yo le inetisya
ko ya ka tar in ya tar college anyo netisya in for primary
kenyi siya kata
kyo nye jo ngeten 2002 mpaka 2011 no, in fact 2012 ko kyo 2 kyo in high school at the same time I in a primary school at the same time.
You go iparwe na ba university anan
So you know, in school based, okay, in 2007. Ko agi sira na TSC. So in once we in private school, ko agi job tar ko anga mat ya ma wa ra bin do. Now ko in ke sira na TSC par ke unam pay slim na ta par agi ko mingu ne jo ko. Le ba agi time. So that was the time now go chok kia nya idea na ganyo na ba in our school. So in fact salary check ya ba isi ni na chu lagi ga nam salary ne ko ji ba 1 month. Lagi na the second one ko na ma Lebanon in university, and then I decided to go to Uganda, Kampala International University. Not because Kigma in Tanzania, Uganda lagi ni cheaper. It was cheaper than Kenya.
Is now, it still cheaper in Guna?
Nego cheaper Ngun.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it was
Kigonin no idea about Uganda. Kenya. How did you find out about Uganda?
Yes, so cooking posted on the first one. I was outgoing most of the time, and nilikuwa nauliza maswali tu nomo. Ole kone payslip kuni anakachilil ninyo kulle nita. Kulo tore TV kabisa. Oye nana gana ale motor ito. Amuni ni ko gir ko katutu ni tu guys. So ole oma chanyi ko leon merita gen yon in ine ko kai so mani job ko anto ko to mengi so mani le ole okay. Anna ma find out. So it was by mistake on your friend of mine nagi mi ota ne. You were kurgating gun. So ko leon oh this one is cheaper among the gun. Some ko leon apply in fact you apply in Eldoret somewhere on your English apply as you can do license office in Eldoret. Now something nagi ko maga apply ni ko tienge ka bo to you among jong no le sabu o business o la ma by maths and business ko tumbara ko nyo bar ko leon degree primary option nyo le wi ga ni pa anaga chili ko la cha ki cha be gudu tan go gele ko ke ma se le ban en TSC even the degree in primary option all le ay anne ko tumo ma le ban en TSC ko le maybe we onge do ko Uganda that's why change na ba we admission do le aja man nyu ka ji ma apply ne ka apply no le amachi secondary option kablan ko le ona ya mam ni ko tibo Kenya ko nyolo ge si consent from you ile tu ko ma ke sire ne TSC ne ko ma ko ra be ni ko so all le yo so sai nen barwana now ko gigeran ji tul ko le okay ba man nai abra nai so mani se nyoro be ni ko ya le ni ji tan no mo job I don't feel le ko ma ai gi ni kyo ma ji now ko aga confident we ta kana gi bo ni gi bo met ki boy and then ko gi mi bi kyo ga bo job diploma ko gi mi to the same class ko ma gi I school ni and now I finished it like something happening we need in we need in the whole year Kobwa inspectors from TSC ko nyo check our gur Kenya school ke one whole that type okay we have approved any course will be upgraded nyo ko le on the go secondary option ko it will be approved ko ma wa jo le na ko le ba ko yo birte ka pesa ko ko le ni ko le ni kwa ne ka chang ne so ka smart mo yo ni nyu ne kai bang kan lo mo ne mat ko nyo bang kan ni su bang kan ko ro le ne mo che ko ni so eventually we graduated on your second upper and in 20 that was now 2011 I still remember 11 to in graduated ni
Joel kemwa ile bahati mbaya mabwati ale ki bahati mbaya ko kenyoru chicho kikonin information.
Yeah.
Tebutiet kityo nomeche ateben ni kikoi kolipan ng'o nelipani sukul kilipanda ano imite in Uganda in amu koi mwalimu kisaven enough. Kilipan ng'o.
Lipanet ko kilipani anendet at that time entirely as a parent student nilipajinge. At the same time, in my firstborn daughter, in school. Most in academy. So I used to plan once Gadunya nguno ni listina ko na namenge wala ne what in level fees. My wife, we got my wife kan karo. Oh, ginto dash in the chip tong kayo na kaya che nyo. Asige tesige lenge ni ke mokini ge in how much, and then we move ahead. So so labi nektul na check your level ni go level ni through my salary and through my investment, but the mission to do nam nai. At the same time, okay, and then most of the time was the sacrifice and the understanding. So among you got delegated most of the things. You make the tab what, how to get money to school. I only my wife for what, how to budget konamge arawe takila arawe. So jutke. So among you guno yo mojutke jaju kona tu aja je ono laga tu aji get flani. Kung mojutke jaji ko katwa fees in. So so we agreed. So she's a great lady nagi barchige. Ma butong na yung ginagawa butok sa jaju most of the time like we managed to survive. Yeah.
Kongoi Joel. Kotastai na
Kongoi amukai mwawech, and I'm a challenge kudos to Mrs. Langat and great budgeting skills. So I think that is one thing we should talk more about.
Yeah.
Working as partners, especially ngalega budgeting. Ngen pike jangi nyoru ko kasi mse, and then anafanya kazi akispend mwenyewe hata ahitaji usaidizi. But anyway, kaginyor chinrani engonin ba China, Joel. So kai mwawejile gimi Uganda. So how did you get to China? Atia kinyorundano that information ki titano lindagi and why China? Agi mwawejile gine tegano Chinese. Balozi, you're mute.
Pole. Agi mwawejile yo in China. Kaginyor chin China. What do you do in China?
Karibu. You're on mute, Joel.
All right. It's okay now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we in nange apikenen yung kange mwai in jiba budgeting. Okay, in engineer ko sige yo to na amuni. Ma budgeting na missing ato amunga ke mwai in wives and something like that. Nan game mwai to go give apology nan nge law represent ni. Inori king nge lawyer en lagi na matogi nge mwai mwagi la ko yai na lagi ni nori na nge lawyer en tu ke chang ni madam ni lagi na matogi expression ni. So like right now she's among all ka mo chi in o say ako ka tap some few things you know. Right now she's running a lot. Give me tomato go ni ti sine ka she didn't want o ta na that go gi Mwalimu. So running most of the errands and most of the time with proper malu ni ambassador go le kan yang guno ngina biasa rana go lule within a very short time. Chakong the two thing go chicken go ile tap. So running poultry farm water dog almost 1,000. Running go in dairy farm, you see, go to around it was 8 go replace and allow to do. Now running a small about a mini supermarket, yeah, whereby I go job in Magatian and in Ramba bread. Yeah, so when I got to tuning the other in when it comes to that,
Joel and amukai bar which okay which I such a hardworking lady, Igere manager Nigarbu 3 businesses in Nege, of course with your help. And I think Kimecheke uploaded and you empowered, you know, dependable is just support any, you know, their spouses. So Kongoi, and we give her a lot of credit. Kama
yeah. sawa ngunon ko tomany in betunon ale ni na ko igil ga yani won tomo yani mwa ngunon ole bak to ra mwa man ne buch ko gilege tinge ko e boisionon tugul non sai that ngunon yon ka ko gilge ga ko in case ndalyon ne nolda ga tugul people are empowered to move on. So ngebwana ngele kai tundono in China kingo akitare in Uganda. For example, in Uganda, so I did quickly. My channel proven good. In fact, I remember we know beginning transcripts in Uganda. Onyo kunel rate or Nairobi or Goito to Gricho Rebu. Oh, kunel rate about Goito and TSC as gave an interview, and then I got. Now, cooking go on you that one. I gave it on transfer in a school. Next year, me and that. Oh, and see the market center. Given the other side of the market center, given that was so go currently that school afternoon go la go ke mong on 2 center go mi utility ne it no my brother ne to last ma nya cha ye no so en di ni ka gi kwene te kai gi kwene janyo ne 35 minutes anyo ponget ko 35 minutes on daily basis so go we no so ai cha go so money go se ti kwa ke ni in hotel every time na biya ke na le ma go na tu job che mo we mai go se ti so gi de on yo na banya nam go se ti do by that time I remember very well it was a Friday abra so man ko give ko post ko in advertisement le me scholarship to China but could before that go graduate in Kampala University I registered masters in marketing German marketing that time as ko gi go non rabi ni kya ma cha ngol na nyo building base le sal net in saliba now but to get scholarship in 38 in masters and PhD at 6 in chebo undergraduate now go le on gi 38 ya gi si jo nya bro ge in requirements ko ga se na tu ja age le ja ne gi mingwe ne gi mo tinye ko ni ne go le university lecturers are highly encouraged to apply okay like ne ga se ge ngonyo ro le wi ta ge ho university ko la ja in ko gi me ge note no ko no aburi no lo si gi anget kwa ge ni en hotel yo go we sai ba mu gi mi form ne go le ge download na ba download that form ko gi one page aga anyi taga apply to as ago gi the that is I think it is a strategy never you see in gora in young ma ge bo speak ko gi ndo Friday ago deadline ko Monday in fact it was by 4 agi ngena au won ki mu se kon an ki ma go wi ni silinge na gora as ago ma budget ko ngan ni ko ti tuan ko ne ko ge yeb ni ba tuan so I do what I can. So among yo no la sign on okay, where do we start? But start to get download the form okay feeling. About download that sign out the form of feeling aga chen ba che. I all the next go le ge ko Nairobi. All ko maro yo to nyo ge. Now the time ge mo ge le once you start ko mil do ge u yo ge ta ba dai ko no mo se tu. So king ka na ba sai ngan aga line kari ko kita malo ngari tido and then abo ko gelo ga pero re gu en tam ge gu gore gu friend of mine gi mi to na class ko gi ga si te na ro lo ki o bu na ro ko le bu na ro le wi se yo ya na me no tan ko le ye ge na ni ya na ba ka to ge ngolo li lo ni wi se yo mai ko jut ke sa bu ki ga ne ko le na ja wi se Monday I'm about to get no by 10 I mean all it te wa marwani ko lati all ko le mai no le as that time give a ministry of education no ko marwana ki ko berwo sa ba ko ro ko te marwana na si sa nyo ko jutke so ko nyoru en ko se ti in this information aga ba na muen sai ba aga aya ko ibuon we ga ko na ro na sa uon ko utuon no le ya blind some as but that Elena every see mo ke le ni ke apply come for the interview aya kutum go nyo reality ke le man ni to mo go itena na as ko mamwa kole nyon uogyo kole nyon some temra bot yo lagi which day. So I prepared for the interview. No more. Abara ongena na wale yani meti nyungu kwa itole oh kange guro nsi nyungu wongoro sijine amugi ogir 38 and 38 go gyo woti kenyale 38 engenya wongo ma go ura kasi but I temana go kasi ka changa bi kapsa and through the interview now kogi ngi mo ngi jogi no endi asa chene si mo itole okay ne tu ke asa chene le general pass mark na interview ma asa chene tu ke cha probably most of the time, go in 80%, 70% in these questions, you have passed the interview. Or about to passing the interview. As interview. So the panel was big enough. As me university too. Abagin Gito Manale, those people excellent in university. They are usually retained as assistant something lecturers and then sige change those one. So go give me two line jebo universities. Ora tele nyongi ugele na gi mi ngwen to ang na we ta na wi police yo na ibo police yo to ko le om ko me police le gingen cha chang ko le ko yai gi ole gi no ko le wai ngalo ji chi no le mong no le ngala le ko ni bora ni ko nye. Yeah, so cái interview này là có khi nói nhau nhau việc gì cô có mai của nhiều người cái đồ gì nên thấy cái này anh là cái này lagi mà số là cho nó cho được cảm giác cô khi mong cái capital city nó có gì chạy nè à gọi bên tin interview nó chạy có thể là mà đam mê của số yêu nó tên nó em mình cái capital đó là vấn đề cái cô lo như vậy à gọi nó group cái mà mình sẽ lên nên tôi đi tới của mata tôi là anh ấy của yêu Pero ari chiama na ko very confident ole obro ngita ne de to ago yebi abro guru bele o be indi e ole ai ne bo na but I'll find out I'll find out aya có nghe mà đam ngang ko among có cái story nghe the question ko le na mo we chan ke sire de we le you are married ibo ko kini ngoi ya yo se tin ni le che ke bo tai ni che yo se ole họ ngồi lo liu sự bùi của coi ở một thứ sao nhiều nó cái ngala lên này plus my mom amun anh ấy last born sorry but my mom again so có cái ngala nó cái có xin này cái lệ cái hả có lẽ mà đâm ngã số cuối anh ấy này còn lì vậy ở lì coi anh làm mông gòn cái tiếp vô số cái nó này nhu này tao ở gọi đủ chỗ cuối anh chưa nghe tiếng có mãi cái siêu so ko maro di dol room ko no mangole chamme ko mata ko sira ke tul max yondo ko buaro yonden ako nyu na ne magi to the following week age le na open an email age su ko the first one was congratulations age to ko man also kina uno time that way and ki gave me de igere bitu gi me to ko alake ki very confident ko mata ko sina nai and then age onyo uno ta that was the first time using flights. I to China with that.
Congrats, Joel. So
when was this, Janet? When are you young? You
know, 2013.
Oh, 2013.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That was the time in China.
So, when you go UND scholarship and was school.
Yeah, I know the government scholarship, majorly in Chinese government scholarship. So the Chinese in
Chinese scholarship.
Yeah, live on the Chinese government. So me universities, University in scholarship in China for masters and PhD is almost guaranteed. Amun Chang in the scholarship. Me the government go intergovernment. Nghe trong nói Chinese government có nhiều gói sự li tập cái nhà ở nhiều so mà cái will có cái buông sao tên so that was the one cái vật chính cái sao not I remember cái rejected na ni TSC của mai của nó ni của Asia của study leave with pay có cái gói nó apa pilen của ông kia pilen nó tôi ingolol kini ora sam panel ko ya maswali ole kangetin ko non ni scholarship no go Chinese government ko Ministry of Education as kongen Ministry of Education kokonon kele makongen kit neteseta sikokonon ay ale matota magengige amun kimi lengo ibon that time ale matata magengige kwane ka magengi anyin nabas nekobet en Kenya kaliasi oetenan ko kele kobet nabas ni amoto ke replace chito age amun kikibe interview yin. So this one is, you are not being fair to the country. Ale mane uang ko nareji lego ko sai no tawele ko ngo ji ku age sir wan parwet ke kunon with pay with pay. In fact, it was 3 days to the flight of me in TSC.
You see the satire agere Janet me jago tep tebut. Kobi so manjine, what are you going to study or what are you studying now?
Yeah, kan anyone you know ko tinye in kia education, maths and business studies. As cooking Kenya Chinese science related among the Kenya one in some innovation. Okay, in Master of Science in Financial Management. Science Never my financial management. I have Kenya Masters in Financial Management. Like in the sitting science are qualified. So I did financial management, sometimes in corporate finance. Yeah.
So the studying Janet.
So arakiune your transition kimuchi ngalal Chinese and then after that kinyaga itariotok iyaene enginguno.
Okay.
Joel imuji bi cheisubeje kongen gole kewe China ingele Chinese ngonyo ko choje bortenwek ngola ko igere chito gole you know ko ngololi Chinese anan no gongi hotelishek ngole ba America ko wachana tunguna hotel ibi odani chakula ngewa dangonge Chinese ko ngololi ning Chinese ko ke odane Kiingereza so mucho ko taboti jine miolimba Kenya ko larang nyawoli ni pa ngololda you know how do you communicate imite China kinete nog Kiingereza ang sukul anan Chinese.
Yeah, okay.
One more question. She does ta committed that program and size ya go mucho ko access and no picture.
Okay. Reason one. The Chinese scholarship program go me every year. Go during this time of COVID. Go in. In fact, up to now, the country Chinese per se. So never the programs come me. One of the ways go check in the Chinese Council scholarship, which are going to government. Senior one universities in China go 728. For each university go to do in scholarship. So each again your area argue with that one. Each again scholarship any other go to do that university the scholarships. And then scholarship Silk and Road Initiative. Me scholarship Confucius Institute go to know in scholarship. So a lot of scholarships in China which are in scholarship it is scholarship with stipend I go calculating with the current change in standard of living. So in each two go mingwen gigan selenda kon amke scholarship stipend again in standard of living. So like king evendi go gi go ne 1700 rabine ga boli ko gi ambe ne king tun ne do aya ko gi uang ga boli an economic tes paga 300 ako kitte sa ge ge le kino me economic go yitu en flani tarigi flani gi to paga among you mian in that time without your knowledge. So those scholarships are still there. It is as easy as that. The only thing in Chinese scholarship in feeling you feel the whole booklet actually. School ngenyuranyi picture kibo in so itu ko jabawale jingu kunyamu sana sana mise. Manomne sip ko gere ora ko gere in ba mu jo ko ngene In fact, I advised, there was a group I made sometimes, all matogi, amangel name, in name is name. Matigiro, the Limbataman, Namen to Kimuche in yeah. Sikogunin power e bartige. So ko te budget ko no nga mo le tago scholarships, and it is open. When it is open, the country ko buone those scholarships kab later. Chang na maybe ke advice je chang ko gi kinyor ko buwa. So once you attempt Chinese scholarship, especially for masters and PhD, be guaranteed almost 100% in Europe, especially the science-related ones in Europe. And then could go in could go in mal science teacher kuna ganyo it test the science. Oh, they are journalism. He led a master of science in journalism. Could be two in that thing. I get that in not on the last question. Kuna go mo le ko ka tebe balosi ko le now kogi konyo as a program nebo English kogi neteji in English lakini we had to learn some Chinese chegi uit kosi masters ne gobra yu en kabisa aba kogi kyobro ge kogi amun ko e buti tano ago murene ko wi lakini lo te menge je nyonga tare school usually ko ya seriously, especially ko ya ko miyu ko 1 year ko mu je chita ko ya ago mu jot ko set. It's like learning 2 languages at the same time. About the language go complicated. Mu je spell gi ko gerge lakini mean ne tu gangwa because of the pronunciations, the pronunciation angwa. So the same spelling lakini mean ne 4 different things. So lakini na nyongo gi in English. Now, in big the programs you Chinese universities or the top universities, you will get it. The difference between Chinese universities and a Chinese education system, all the others exam, but the Chinese one the process. So many of stress a log your me exam in any university. Amun sirechi tool. Giborchinge A plus jemi bara olina lakini ko sirena jitu lakini the process con a very strict Chinese government. That is why ngomongito they can take the position immediately, as which is different from Jemiga waje goro gonyo on danangu waje gelene youth and employment kuma comfortable bigenga wasir PQ graduate in university and amun tao ngar ne matrai singen in tu kejang lakini no Chinese kun mongu chito nengene amun it is a great offense your menyo class kusir ibu test. So keep seriously the difference the difference between Chinese education and the other education, for Chinese are very concerned with the process and the learning and participation in class. Others they are concerned with exams and whatever. Chinese ko magiging tana king gesiro ko maagit and papers that ko nyo tebe amun yo jogo interview ni nako yongi ajun interview na gen minute tugulen ye kai qualify the interview mo ngi kartasi mataguro tenge maagit tebe until I think up to 3 years kele kagile ko mai serikali ge uploaded ni bu magile ge uploaded the thing. So that is it. So Chinese ko gyala anen baga HSK3 lakini ko I'm not really conversant with it. Nguni ga site ni international school ne AP program chombo America for students jema go America. So among all balos yung an AP program. So I teach AP economics in Aganamba. It's an institution. Many schools affiliated with them, so we do that. So
Kongoi Joel ako agere ko to isubet matelong rono imite abwat yale isubet matelong Boniface Kibiwot ko subet kora Gilbert Tanui kongoi Jerry Brenda kongoi abwat yale mi Maldive Philip Meli kongoi Sengam kubwa asante ketindoi kora Ambassador Tum kemeche kemwa kongoi Irene Ronarotich kongoi kole it's amazing kongoi eng akwek cheosubech kimeche kora kotosubech mongen ale Hosea tokosubech ngo asiteb tebutik cheisubi asiketesetai Hosea.
Kongoi balozi agere keisubech Prudence kale karibuni sana, asante sana Prudence ak biik chechang kabisa ameche kityo tobe kebeberta nebo YouTube, so subscribe YouTube nenyo nebo Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ako like our page akikroen pamoja na Festus Limo, asante sana. Kongoi Joel kakisubu safari kabisa, ameche kityo kebe akoi olimbo China, ameche imwawech akasubik chok opportunities akaitin kidogo chemi ameche kotitiny opportunities chekinamchin China akotitiny akobo ng'alekab trade, ng'alekab mung'aret eng olimbo China ak kebeberta kora nebo ng'alekab somanet akitiny kora akobo challenges amu everything kotinye pros and cons, so ameche itiny atya ko tebutiet age kora kotimwawech ole balansendoi ng'alechu tugul amu ngiwe une kora olimbo China tos mi ng'alekab side hustle apart from somanet ko tos bitu side hustle ak atiny yotok tebutik chuk.
Okay, so thank you very much. Getevile opportunities chekitinye en emetab China nguno. Uyo kamwa balozi Uganda ko in one of the opportunities nemine ko in 1.4 billion people. Ko in pichon ko chang and kani ko no kora in balozi ko kele number 2 in terms of GDP. Lakini ko sai ta tam kemwa kora kele number 1 in purchasing power parity and number 1 also in manufacturing. Uyong ko kemwa ile at least 70% tangu ko wekta tu Chinese che kongetu ko ri mi bikira so rungwenye ne amun okot pa Kenya ko mi chito neibe kitandet ko in Kenya from here. The key thing also nenyalu kikuye ne ko it's a country of plan. Yani chekibongoni ne kit with kitamamwani chito age kasarta ale China ko emet nemoe kong'et tuguk chab kitabut kotok in a real life. Kitamamwani kora biik koleni bichu komwoe kole in inga matindo religion kole chito neisibi religion ko uon you are postponing your problems anan iywei ene ile tun kenyoru bounatet kebaibaitu eli kole kum issue anyin wendi kale ame baibaitu en you. So nome the real things torkoto like for example abwoti kinonyon in 2018 ko won and 2019 ko won kikaoetin kemeut en Kenya to bwoti that time ko kimi akine ole kimomi ko nai tro ko makimatindo problem amun kibire ropta saa sita o ko lu ra te mbi ko le ka makimwara ko laja no ko kokichobe roban ko kokichobe so chobe ropta ko bonene ibare itep ko labare in ko le sans ko chaba ba ke lunchen so they embrace kingo ongen olengen in balozi amune en economics ki labatine missing lakini ko kingen kole it will reach a time ne yoche ke change civic nebo that thing, so they change to innovation ak servicing ak trade. So kono kamwa kityo if we want anything nenyalu in with high tech development nguni ko China, that is why they have some crutches with many countries. Amun they see as if they are becoming self-reliant. Amun here innovation in R&D in you spending more than half of the revenue about the businesses, and most of the things are not in the books. That is also another thing that these are the people so okay, we have these massive opportunities. How do we deal with it? Electronics tool in China. Line ni job the source ne ko ma China ibu parts in other countries ako nyo ko chabe ni ako ko ne ko in ko ga finished product. So buone tu jo nan tu. So Niger me lise ke chang ko buone lakini we say in mami. So there is that imbalance of trade balance between Kenya and China. Now, which also takes us to the next level that like Kilioni and this one, this one. So the only problem is King of War in picture guy go melen crafty. They are very straightforward. Like in Nyorun go level go on jebal level in the moon not. Animal in back telling so go better considering on nam preventing of what is a standard gauge railway. Ko go lane not and give why boys it. That time I was in Italia. King and Yoga over delegation jagi buone, Kimi were retired and given San Ion missing go engineer or me me check you what. Kerma a lot of Kukiomoti in Kanisa and Saturday. Among me never foreigners, I was some few Chinese. Oh, bara que se le que ser tai standard na ko que ser we jinne ko tienge abo standard teño que le aga sai nan ni giot so lakini e ango ko ngala le ne ko ke giot on dan kuno ni tama mo ni bi ke chang even those people who are listening abo they are involved in engaging with Chinese you don't take even the first step no tuitosi ngele ke ni visit ni Chinese ana ke ni a company in train station. Start your negotiation in your straight away. Train station is the most one. So what to go on your so in Namang Bagilo, one and a wound Agi Rom Guinea in Liu Pungwing with the Norman, Kibagi Justin. Agreement con nằm cái titanango con toro nằm cái lại nó tiburi có như là ama anh boss cái như là ra chọn bao cái đặt dùng bao cái con nó cái này mà mi so that is one thing so the mess nó cái chút cái nhau của nó because of that SGR ako mong lên cái bị cái dạng này because of that one cái your PK in status quo in ministry mà cái your PK in scrutinizing the agreement. One of the funny one, missing most of the time I've been dealing with buying things in China. One of them fund and look the Chinese in Amun so Lebanon in the standard gauge. When you look the wholesale, I think the full stop. As for all we ran in kill and nanny. Kuli, the wholesale the Maya log avisa in all in news in Yum log avisa. Like any that wholesale goes room for you among us two wholesale go 2 pieces. That is why you ruin Gamu John Doisy, Manama Sherry, Amun wholesale money in China go 2 to 3 pieces. I like I'm talking that thing. I so those are the challenges we have dealing with Chinese. Lagini, if you are okay, or a business in the work ethics, like saving, president most of the time will saving Chinese more money, and as go saving more money. Amun something get you Sigi Gonga will Mariba like 1 or 2, Amun Borching gets a holding the housing or whatever for 70 years. So go make the inheritance about your parent. So imamuna seriously argue seriously. Kung ita na sige that kung lamun parting na nina kung matunguri waji ko save for a new. So opportunity that jagitinya kuno na Kenya go correcting this trade imbalance. Ko ega meli si Kenya ko job Kenya in ang masigi. Ongen most of the time nge biga jangule year 2016 ko gigi and 17. Avocado like frozen. This time in 2020, go the fresh ones. So that is a huge opportunity. Look at me in Kenya, Kenya go in Africa and avocado. is very huge. Aya ko namwa lendo in Africa mai tebenge mu Kenya saiti mu Kalenjin nguno ile aba ki kwalda bi pogondo en Kenya amun ni sunguno ne go the leading exporter of avocados in Africa ko Kenya ako metinye agot avocado enga itebenge ile kwa nyomi Kenya ni naino tamo tebinga kana amun ko tamo ko ni ke le mingin bare nanyu lakini kumarizo ne marizo no. So number 2 opportunities you get around go in other products like coffee and tea. Which go chai again ago the coffee go in the west like my coffee. So gige jabi nguno ne China yi nyoru jegile coffee bars. Yani bo tu those begin ban about coffee. Ngala lenge to coffee ni nage. Now the issue is coffee jawaga nyage chom mega pesa but more luxury. Very expensive. Aya, ibare nyoni in the farm agumanyorugi. Where is the problem? So I've been trying to find out where is the problem. Oh, tikaige bolenge nyagwa mu mato kwalda. Lakini in the market then it's very expensive. Akumachi in big. So those are some of the things. We should at this time where is the problem? About this one. Now the third opportunity, everyone. Or anybody who wants to do manufacturing, so you come for the machines in China. Most of the time, machines in China, cheki nyukial do yang kanya fake ya ot ko diga yo lengo but ki never Chinese in America mumbo ye ko tartara ko it is because of the trade kere country kere kuno ko but in America ko tera ko but the same one in Kenya I got different ko rango but the same one in Europe. So Chinese ko no wanna plain that is why I can go to China Africa ko ay ko nyuru fake things in Africa chechanga ba. Like the goodness in your market, go mongol fake this one, fake number 1, fake 2, 3, so the opportunity in the mean got the machines. But you might have anything among got their machines high tech. I remember we talked with some of the guys the meat tea sector. Cooking about factories that you are in Chongway in Kenya. Kuba machine is actually India, low in Kawasa. Indians got to know their issue. Yani the Indians could they unamai in Ramaico or city, and I call the other generation. Mama Ori Kiga any ammonia and you ango job you can make your machine and use it, which is not the same in China. You turn make a machine it come away. So undon research to low job for that. So anything they got a tab what? Ngiwa mo chi tu lo le buti tinye chi ta million ta gen kumi machine ta ki ta million ta gen mo nyo lu to ge butu ke cha ngen in goods you can make it. I've influenced some of the people who are in factory no ga ba che ba ne cha be magati ana o ki butu jo ta tu le in and the pricing is really good. I go lost in the goods. So if you think of anything, name a job. I go to guidance on how to make it and then I go in follow up. Machine is to I go check it maintain it. Oh, the young guy I go engine be cost in that time I go so they really understand their product. I go maintain it with their current research on anything. And then the other one, the opportunity in on communication. Camera, CCTV, because they are also they are the best in the new in within the like in the algo even one of the different. So any challenge, especially if you're on the door in Joma go hassling, hustling fun, it will be a disaster. After 1 year there will be no tangible results about those manager amun however the government can try like in bikiama ko serious kidogo, they can get in touch again with the machines me. Now and then finally okay me side hustle ngele onge a student and again ne nana nyige mwagele one China kumatomi in John Rarun visa any the following day they have the power of the big data. In getting the lemi legewe ni to eno ra ta ko ya ti mo no nget kunge. So young student visa in student visa. You can only have a small side hustle in one house. Like in the go friends again, like in the million so matami side hustle. Like in young guy, you go they take care of foreign workers. You got in the competitive salaries. That is why you don't give your China because they give you very competitive standard. Gunon yojeni imutu jito iko chini round trip sijui mara mbili au mara tatu in kenyiti as agi chono ko lazima umi the contract agi go chi got kunoton agi go chi chito na nyo ku settle in this person in among the language difference. So otherwise ko in ko enane gunon ndanyo ni chito na ga na language ko added advantage. Ndammi lege muje kika kamwa bese ko le mai gine Chinese wongi uru ko le mai gine Chinese in high school iyo ko yesio bi kabisa ko kyo gero le kapet ndaka ane ko tali ko takiyo ne kabisa amone ngune ko those people are everywhere. They are everywhere and the way to join them is to be with them agi ku ye le ngalo do in Jordan. So otherwise encourage people yes.
Si ngalianda ne une tos ngabwa ndakweni ngalianda ne racism ngolimba China or minority of Melata. So how can you cope up?
Oh yeah, racism in China go in to uren internal like me uren face ko Chinese go is a culture for them giri face o dionge bete ko matagile gebet no ne aja gro gi ore tage ne mo ne bete ne gebet so o racism ge go no ne na ni nyoru ge onge la ni basit kun matote be ji oru ke inai lo lakini ma plane ne ma plane ge to kinge ni ai la no ni tebe ne ko cheme ge ko la cha in kulin ge ne che ge ngololi kun ge ta ba to kita no ma re ge ngololi jin ne ge re wong ga gi wich so tindo the intent nori nywan lakini ma pronounced other countries yeah.
Kongoi ko kimeche kemwa kongoi Manu komite Arabie ko kongoi Kipkoech Collins kongoi Navastas Limo kongoi ko akwek tugul cheosubech kimeche kele ngotaketestai kitinye taonyo noto 74 inendet Joel Arap Langat kobun olimbo China ko ketesetai kotomo ateb tebutiet nekomeche ateb Arap Langat komite in ng'olyondoni amu kingeng'ololchini Faith ko kikamwa kole nekit ing olobo China ko nekit komi opportunities ngoi mwalimu akineti subjects cheu sciences anan ko economics kole ko mwalimuyot ko nekit koanani salary chemayachen so specialized courses chokimeche komitei lipanet barak imwochini ne biik mwalimuinik kipsomaninik akobo ng'olyo neu notok Arap Langat.
Okay. That is a very good question. Like right now, ko kingen Kenyans ko naate in the sciences and economics. Say that nani nyon go ya Kenyan go some a school in let's say an international school. Kongel international school generally go about the rich. Kung mamagengi in Rabini, Kilibon in Gonetico Gergay, I'm a mother negative by MP side. Now, like in go the issue go mocking gay in mocking gay experience. Manago mo leo papers go matane, like in illegal even experience. Now, konge one na nyonori treu go uongi bi going to Kalenjin so far. Jongen me this ninja. Nebo jina go bi gap to lui tak bi gap hari chemi. Why? Amun icheget kuma ngotare university kuma tak kere le miro bini ko tak kinge ot. So most of them can get international school experience. Kutindo. That international school experience. So, and then another thing also is that I also think because most area ninyon tugulis nebo kungunon gebang gericho kuma mi international school or quite meal read again. I'm not sure. So that is the problem we have. Amune chebi kyo nyo mongu jul na nyaba chenga si teli baga. Kanga ki graduate ne Nairobi ko na ba chenga si teli baga gericho akoi in sugulin ne gitenyo chito ne ko se sab work physics kabisa netindo in fingertips kuma ba isi in no. So it is difficult for them konyo Chinese konyo ko netis endro ko titinye only experience number in government whatever. So icheget ko mai ko le create which international program and then big manga missing get in the CIE get in the AP ni gane get in the IB programs. So unda mi suguli je boy level. That is why sige minguna problem no ba in CBC dagi ngot king is taga CBC ke we ke level ko to market bo ganya ka pesa pa angku. Because that is where go degree A level and I got degree in CIE ni gana na degree IB ko you get job almost immediately. However, a lot of advisors that you can teach on get physics, chemistry, math as a within your first degree. Encouraging you like yeah this time in for scholarship over to get one. What about you to read through? Anyang ngati na lagi in me. Go job oxe. Amon yon mi China go mi go raisi paper se chwa gi cho paper ne che chwa go very automatic menu ne in ko kirais ko kele bu ona bu ni nyone bu ni la ni on mi ri through it will be better in your that among they will be have tested. So actually engineering you go ne tik in high school. Let's move out of our comfort zone. Amuna mangwala most of the time but I guess you guys uongo be gi
Kongoi nye Joel pichitab Kalenjin kole mabel got nge promote ngwa Nairobi kole mabel got kongeting resop kebel got koroko it's a crime. So meje ke tiem ke jeng opportunities ako mande o jeng obe schoolishek ngabi ger jita no ko somane Nairobi uchanat nguno chanat ne ko gimi alliance kotare jita ngalan sugulin ne mi barage negotenyo koneti sugulin nebo Nairobi yote ya kula kai ka saro limbaga nyokwa resop ko nyokwa tebing resop chita no go bunu town ipko punji resop ako tebing golin daksen go itarawe at the end of the month ipkwalin konyor misiara ko ipot ka kabut kidogo nyokwa shopping ako wega guno ta go bekyota so ongeku competitive age courses chamakotin mi boroinwek ketesetai kouni ko Arab Langat ko imwoiwech kotetate bole is Arab Langat booked lakini kakekas imwa ilen itinye lagok itinye chepyoset itinye lagok mut mwaiwech tell us a little bit about your family so imi China olin komi lagok anan omite tugul China anan kikobwa korutochi ngolo tell us about your family.
Nguni ko to my family ko mi Kenya. Amon nago mo ko lagi spread in log mi aga na mi in PP2 PP1 ko mi ko na mi in university. So at any given time ko gigitinye in log from them. So we decided not to come with them here. Amon the language difference the timing. So dagi ka umaktul in asarta ngenge ko to giro isi. However, again one international school in you. So I have one or two mucho ko fanden one or two like in the other one ma fanden it's so expensive. Like mucho ke leban in kerja jombo ke nyana jom gilo 2 million and and damit again anago ingeni. So it's expensive. Like like what I said, go spread in my family. So my firstborn for me university, me Nazarene University. Now yeah, he got up to, and we also tried to copy what these Chinese does. My guitar and university Chinese most of the time we're chang. So we are in education, maths, business, no, geography. And then at the same time, go give me Wilson with aviation. Now, at the same time, go much in my Australian or me also. So, in fact, there was a time when you last no this year. Skura interview no le हैं अगे लगा लिया ने तो को लोबर करके बना in इसे भी थारे आगे गए कैसे रे ana no mette nyanga na fresh ko rawo garge ko la munu wongo ko le ni ni ko mi ni ga street. Now the second born ko mi form 4 year exam this time, and much medical. So not all we can do that we try to give them with my wife ko gi trying to go la ko ta ka tu le na gi nyin ko nge ten ko so ni ba pilot ko gi ne la pilot no gi nge gi jo mo to ko nam ke max skin ko tar aya. And then ko ne ba form 4 ko gi taktar ko nge den o kin ko min ko nyan ko gi lo jeng ko ke la jo ko di siptas ba gi ru ko mari de ko ra ko la bar mari de ni daktar. So but we are seeing ko move in that direction. The third born ko mi class 8 lawyer no. So ko gi nge mo no ge le lawyer ko gi nga man de agora ko wong ganya ge to ka mesen gi age jo mo me ma or na te ge ne mo ko le bar ga no yan ko ite ko le lawyer ko mo tu street mo ge ne tu nya nai ko le lawyer ko wi ga si ko ra ta ge like in so far good ne ko nge ko le the ichega timo the third born for me class no the fourth for me class 6 atinya exam tu lo you know an exam aga tu lo mi so ko that one ko journalism ko nguno ngo tam ko ga ngale ki modeling nang and then the last one ko a boy me grade 1 sko engineer gane no mo ngol se tu ngonyo o verga ge nen agjanne tenio. So we decided to give them like because we both of us are teachers ko gi mo go any immediate like we were trying to study their behaviors namnai inai la ko jo ge very keen le talking again. So most of the time all the nguno as they are coming up ko pronounce ne yo to gi ko chi ni che as we were trying to check on that. So otherwise, that is my nuclear family. As
my wait to my wait ko ba je bio se mong agi mo jang alio maybe got mi ngin ne to my mo so ka ga chanat tu che ga mo chanat maybe to my nyoro bara inda I mo ji anam se ne ko gi mo ji ko muin nya bara inda I mo jang alio
so ko nga sa ba mo ay wa na ko in she's called Winnie Langat. So she's like the manager who know in Gap. Ingin na ji tu lo no na man de ko ga kumarong gin na te se tai in Gap. And then ko nói to ko no je chu that time. La cái này nó miêu le ko ma toy ba ta ga la ni de ko ge to yo gi ni ga make decisions EI much much. So she did education in Mo University as like in king that time no so we can do that. So we decided that we will empower so right now she's doing okay and the business and she's a strong lady, I think. Watching this time. She's the one actually in Kangu every 4 months I will say. So I will say in January and then in the 2 months. So Chang give me in an area up there most of the things. So far so good going in she's a model already, and a model in law tool, so that, but the figure, your me to be or to take one name, that is when I come in. But she's a strong one. She works tirelessly. Most of the time, go to Mole and go right now, you are one of the few managing several things. She's one of them in negative questions. I funded some of the projects. So, give me accounts different, not wife. That is why most of the time I really fund more. Walu maswale age gele aja no ko ba gole namnai age ja saranye no namnai ko nisip ko benti rabe tool, and then that value of accepting questions is a different one. Who me anywhere in that value. Like le ko tulo mi diaspora yo kimi vi gravini mamma e vi kyo ke baganya ke tebe maswali e ravini la chegu inga ravi so that is the difference. My wife go in tebe maswali tu in and out ago walu para ga tar yo ta ngula so aya ke ngala lan ke bo yo ta ke se kote lakini maswali ke bo biashara kote in yo so that one gives me courage to invest every time. You can get them. I got to more rabi kyo tu le le nga ke maswali the financial. O tenga nyangu no ko tebe maswali je janga me bi nga go na. Isi bi rabi je to la ban. Kalian ne baro go jine bor nyon bora tebe ko ya itne. Tu ni tebe ka ko ne re je bi se na ga re ja gen ne na ga le se bo tebi gi ni ako ka chebu ga ni rabi je kan. So allow ourselves ke tebe ne na ngi amo shortly ole they know the system never recording of expenditure in China. Dogio ignoto in Kenya. Ko we can kimondoi within a very short time. Amune you gesire anything mogmeto yane or the gunoni expenditures here in company. Could you spend fast poison you go senior you go no kure negito in expenditures in the game sign the system. As ago the taxing system in ro kimuje gisibun chitanye mwenyewe kisibi chitu le so taxing comes automatic as ago we job in a way that matindo tabu chitane ma go pay taxes anganole ko to tinye biashara en Kenya one tinye biashara en Kenya anganole it is really a problem. We want to pay but the system books tu ke kisire kong isiat kamasa amami china mai ba se mai tu vai de no le mele man tax saat ko sir ka na ke logo ko unten ka bai ni ke are ko chilji but actually you wanted to pay lakin how lakin yen rego ngobar register na se company pe tu no da ding ding ko ke one jita ne ko ide ne everything books what lakin yang Kenya ole ni jama je al o dungu no ina ko che je na lo o ke je ni mai machine ne le ko ni all what 50,000 and 52,000. This is the machine and you liban name tax. When you liban 9 tax. So it is really a lot of bureaucracies in Kenya chima collect and accept the tax. Or the one more circle working get tax. The problem is not about people. Kenya missing ecosystem. Kira kita agi gina nye yod balos le pike chang entrepreneurs en Kenya ko bi kegi mata basu inyo itesia intabu no ko ni tax to le ko nyo glass ay ko nyo bi ga sintana ne. So those are the people who evade because not they don't want to but the system is too complicated for normal person. So when go mo
kongoi nye Joel kongoi ko aiso bien janat ngalejo ko koroge meche kiwekchi kongoi kwondongung meche kiwekchi kongoi wini amu iyoni ketebenen tebutik biikab Kenya chekosubechin yu yeng'et chito ne financial nekonu chepkondok ngot kochana neiyoku rabinik anan koser neiyoku rabinik amune simemeche koteb kole koilyochi chepkondok kole chito ngwai kono nyisub kolya ngot kokon investment ko lazima asub sana ole are we making it anan kiluseni. So that is why mwaat ako kikayai research kele ngetoi kampunishek kobutos within the first year kosubkei ak tuguk chemakitebe. Ko kongoi Winnie amu you are different. Ako kongoi ing boisiet neiyoe, kongoi ing support neikochini Arap Langat. Ako tun kakibwa kanyekebwone amu we are fascinated nyekiro tuguk cheiyoe. Ako ngot ikose chi nemi olobo gaa ngimeche iyai mung'ara ne ko to China ngot komukokse sipial mashinit nebo tuguk cheimeche iyai amu ka ipitu ak inyorune genuine anan kosubkei ak abusnateng'ung kekonin kosubkei ak ole ketepte. So yitebe ng'alek iteb maswali chekororon, meteb chebirbiren. Amekany chito no nyokobekenin eng airport imwochi ng'alek cheng'ering ilen ibinyoru chemoget eng taa olin. Iku serious kokeitu airport sikobit inyoru ng'alek chekororonen. Ko mongen ngitimeche itesyi ng'olyo Janet kosubkei ak ng'oliondono anan imwochi Winnie kwondop inendet amu kongoi kabisa mongen.
Kita namwachini ane Winnie aleini testai egu shine the light. Egu the light abwati ale you are the light eng kokweng'ung ak itestai kounotok. I think kita nekimwae ko chang che kinetenen ako maybe balosi sekemutu Winnie sino komwawech how she does all this konetech akine from her own experience. So, but I want to just shout out to strong women and honest, hardworking, ako kongoi kora Joel, amu kemangu agi acknowledge an inendet. I think we should do more of this. Maglen, chebyoset kobo kityongon lagok ak chikoni. They also megere eng Joel nguno ko borotet nenyinet ko mi China ako mi Kenya kora because two people working it together. Ara imagine ndaka inege. So I think all benefit nge boishe tugul and onge encourage notok especially ngachek pick up Kalenjin.
Kongoi nye Janet ako kongoi kora Winnie eng boisiet nekararan. Kityeme sikemutun kora nye tenye ing'ololji bikyok ako kimwachi kole nginyoru mokoryo irobkei mokoryo, yeku mokoryo inyoru chi neng'om irobkei chichoto ing'omitu. So biikab kokwono orobkei Winnie siko meal makatiat kityo lakini inetkei ki. Iyome makatiat inetkei ki. So pat kongoi amu kiyai investment eng inendet Arap Langat ak kemakun chemyach. Ko ketesetai Arap Langat ko ameche asom amu ameche itiny kitikin akobo mung'aret mising eng olobo China. Kitebe kele amu kiwe China, biik chechang, engineer, mongen ko ki engineer ko kimeche America anan kimeche kosea koronomi Australia. Mi biik chemi risop olin chelen ngot koma America, ngot koma Canada, ngoma Australia kobet. Yani magere China ko bitonin, na magere India ko bitonin. So do you regret going to China? Can you trade China for other countries? Anan ibaibai nye kabisa igere ile kiamakan the right decision si inyo China.
Yeah.
Kwa mfano. So imwachini ne biik akobo notok.
Yeah, so in kinomi omingin akai ko kiamache in Australia akai. Amun kikabit kasarta ake nekilenen kele tindoi biwot mbaret neo en olimbo Australia. Kwany tindoi osea mongen koto kitindoi kile tindoi nebo nego nekaet en olimbo Australia kele mbaranoto matami chi ole omoenindanyin those days. However, kingokonyon China ngunon among'u ale most of the time ondekere ngunon in biik chechang che investen back home and quickly and faster ko biik chebwone China, especially right now with the trade. So kosikemwa kunoton ko amun in the systems nekikipangan in China over trade ko it is a well planned system nekimoche konem biik in bananda. Nekomwoe ole kot ketokchinigei that thing netam kemwoe kila kele tam akose hasla kele nekitokchinigei chemi bottom kobwa up We usually call it the miracle of Asia. China. This is a period of 30 years, probably 1979. The open up again. Igere kuno ge mai ge ngalalen leu Australia kuno ge ben di ge nyise mia mbili mia tano je nyoli ko gino America kuno mia la no go ge nyise ge nyise 210 to mi 30. How do they do it? Ko mi singa ko trade ne kita botos in age banga goro ko to mai in ge doko sene in binguno je mi sirga le ko the new government ni taba obis age missing age bong kanu ne nobis matonge bong kanu ne microphone missing sige to get. That is why the TG Minister of Trade go is the person right now na mu che change in the country ko policies che na mege lakini so already go mo age ngene ko ge la ko ka mai ko margi to mo ngole we should also be having a way ne timpi nó ngồi lên này chọc quần này chỉ tới lấy nhau lúc cái chơi cái này tôi cũng chỉ còn cái chơi cái này China anh cái chơi cái này in Mombasa. That is a grave mistake. Por cái sinh cái tôi gặp cái nhà nó là nhìn fake things. Among Chinese cũng cái cũng cái có bên kia này cái cũng not. And then có cái nhà cũng cái corruption có nhau có nhau nghe tin so có tu yo bi go en ne che ai gặp sao cũng nuôi chọc sẽ gặp the country kia te bên Chinese sa chi gặp qua ki ma ki go nhau standard ke che Mombasa go gi mi si ma nhau installing some things in the ports so go check in ma se quickly go tu ki go ek so le ki chor wa na nhau na cái ni Chinese so ni có để po nang me na na tin do tu ko karke tu so ko le on the only thing ne ma ga en kenya ko ki manda bi gặp kenya tu pero asa ba ga este sistema se ki wi ko le mo ki system ni mi to ko le ngom men kabeleta ni bichu so ko ne ko mo ti ole the trade no ma nyo ge cha kwan ko kai do ko do chinchi Moses Kuria ki to ki to ka sa inge again from the source our what is our terms? Chinese what is our terms? How much time? Much the container the terms because they Western. So now the system about the country government we need to have everything under one roof. Like for example, in factories to China, anybody can get that factory. So we can have trade center whereby we will be having all the offices, all the factories we have in Kenya. And then because I'm here, I'll also influence factories, Chinese the offices in Kenya, so that you don't need to go to the factory. Even in office, for example, I don't go to the factory. Nairobi without that plan. So trade and China go plan na and then the incentive go be in business go ideal. For example, one of them is within the first 5 years, I'll go and I go carry a student go to university, price is half. So in your university, what is running? Robot straight away go get talking again. Lakini nako na nyone Kenya gele ngoro gesi ge ni bari mo ko la ja ko ge tamage na ge lakini eno gele maguma ge na gele ge bunwon just go the first 5 years ko ti algo tanane ko terbe ingun and then number 2 ko ti the systems of employment go gi chap ko ga genge side that you can change employers, like you are in one system. Which means but for me the mortgage no but the government and I go get butan ne no go to no mortgage ko anya ni taken from the other one the other side yani mele ni le tor go the side that ni nyon go for example in a high school and I go a primary school ko ro the parking ne boy in ne bo gari ise aya ibare gir mo sia ko ma ko gar ke ok chonjo. So you tend to wonder, those are the things that you can and then at the same time, they do not straight away you are planned, you are planned, you are planned, those things so that you can access in a different rates. So that is about business or like design and that way. And then the same time, the people, 1.4 people at this given time, at this in China in Gemut and I want in already going by every given time. And then those people who do research in value. Chinese type of food nanyuan in rice. Me a researcher you wrote Nobel. So kogi researcher in pagan nang in Gania again and I in again rice again go no mucha chang I would toss in Gagla, Yan Gibu born not the Targo sit in back where he research it. Making Comego what Chinese house I read the man to Togi. Now, in Bandiat Lagan and Mami research, in fact, most of the time they watch in seats. They value the people. Look at me, trade. In the system, like each of the government, at the terms of borrowing of money, in a way, let me banks change in the four. State-owned banks. Now those ones go make the in community banks. Community banks from our circles. International whatever. That locality. So never farming it, their way of payment different. The international banking system. So as we will be talking right now, the funding in Jumbo Hasla could each county your community bank and again county bank, whereby funding would get to plan in a way that each county could in more village county, each sub county could promote that thing into a full-blown thing. So at the same time, Chinese begging Chinese Chinese Russia in Koya kabisa ni moja la gwe we situnia mjiboi ni jabo but ko ene je ngele situnia jo sigime bai ba kabisa lakini eje tuaga de culture go gigi stonne so porchinge ji to mami chegi so me kelene. That is why matongen go to igo to je le win-win cooperation ama aswe ne lengi to aga ngeti no ni. So challenge ne nyona ne magi go to big up college ku rai mwa yukan ku gele. These opportunities to meet China, either way, can be accessed. Nega challenge ni ganole, kagila Africa, kagila Kenya, ko ni number one in avocados in Africa. Ago mogging in fact, the village mogging on the avocado in the first place. Ago Kenya mesima, so miano, me go mostly boy in to. So we want to challenge our farmers in Pune and again challenging people, gain information. I'll go to be chosen in the information. I'm going to link in panelist. I've been looking for avocados in Kamajico with that. The market is ready. Schema avocado je like almost 70 or 80 acres in wiki. Maginyoru in Gota Kalenjin. Akura be shakan John. Muje in container aga tool go mujo go na million shana, 1 million again. Negi job kit again go mujo go ni rabi ni kisiri ni chamba bante amun bicha be na nywan in valley na go kit again. Aya ene amun iko ege bi pikyo ke baganya ana pikyo ke bagole jingo ko ege ngolio age o me goro ge mo hinte siasa ama mu ole gi ga mo ata ta ge lo mete na bande onge bene onge be in avocado square nga sarata no I did some research so go gi u onyor go gi en market ko galle la ne bari de kel do go gi terbi so that was the time that I got some interest lakini ko big joy you know le ne ki boy to rusi gi ni avocado aya i ti le ni kwani boy to rusi ngete chan mara ko chan mara amu yo just ki bol ju lo da ne le ban oh ta mi boy ko ngete januari
Arab Langat Torsi ko bendi tum December inege ko January February March arawek tunal rubut
iko no kono ke bari no mi jama avocado no ro mi ko ke chen bante ni
ko kongoi kamete sanyo tebutiet nenegit nebo let sikobit kebe jogure takeaways che joget ko in ketin ngolyondo nito nebo avocado ni ko akaitin ngolyon ne akase imwoe ne Hustler Fund you know ko kase kele meche sikobit ngalekab Hustler Fund kotebe biik kole kikakimwoiwech achek kele meche sikoi rabinichu you know len chito kikochin individual mengen biik kole you have to be in a group kuyo kemwa ile SACCOs ne tukyo tugul cho Arab Langat inye imite China kibunu abwoti ale cham iwendi gaa kingen kele kisomesani lagok kikwalda biik oratinwek kwai tuguk cheyoe emetab Kenya ak emetab Korea ak China ko kimite the same level ak Kenya 1963 lakini ngeng'olole emotinwechu nguno orono China kinyokwo kot ko eng namba 2 eng dunia ako kikiyoe China ak Kenya orono Korea kinyokwo kabisa mite barak olin kosubkei ak tuguk kakwautik chekiib kilyojin anyun neranik chechang chutachu you know tare chito sukul kikose biik olimbo kwo sukul lagat no kilen lagok chekoba olimbo Saudi Arabia kobek biik kolen biik ai kawo matin kakome chito kolen chito kole kobat kem matin kosa kole kimutu chito age ngolin komeche kwone ko imwochini ne biik chutachu mengechen cheisubech ak imwochini ne serikali ing ngolyondo nebo Hustler Fund amu kemwa eng yo ile imuchi koek shida ngot kolen biik kimeche sikekon rabinichu ako matindoi biik plan matindoi biik business plan meche biik chekole siko kotach chepkondochu imwoe ne akobo unemployment nemi Kenya ak kokekombean ak China ak Korea ino ak emetab Kenya Arab Langat
Akoteshi balozi kwakere koinsisteni biik kolen kimeche kabisa kimeche kowek kobut biik chaik meyoni biik sai faitani at this 21st century kefaitani technology future nenyo ketokchinigei ano
chai en yon so in nanan ngeweken kenai kele unemployment is a problem in Kenya as amun kimoche echek tugul in kesira kasi as ago at the same time ko bichu mai kosira kasi ko ma confident on you ma kemwochi no sinye kora barnoti kele ma confident bichu in makore chu mai kosira that is why nange ngololen in kelelen kakiteben biik kelenji okonu in experience ko mabat ki chito nekatebe experience amun ngobare kokerin ko makeroksei ing kasit nekisomonchi ko ngemwa manit ine no kangalale manit ine ko ngeweke university akomwoe bichuto kora en university ne ko kimoe koui kora keba class amu matamake ngil lecturer iitu class mo isir test yenu so unemployment in Kenya is mixed. That is why mucho komong chito en university akosindan kobwat kole kakouit sobet in amun yon ko imong university ko papers kinde taban ake bwa hustle ngani nini ko machi che papers ko money ko betu no to ina ile maboki ni kitam ni ndawi ro we las o gilke igere kunon tu che chang kitam gegere gitu tam gegere ko ne tigele nyogo bendi ko ne tigo e las ko ne tis ak taktar yen lakini ko asla ya gen gwene tiro yu ko ma ko wi ngeti ni I relating the course nagi ai au that is why we have then engineer go me in Parageta University ke what we need to yan ke ai in engineering see what real engineer sige ba ko gino lo ne ora now which means they have a problem with our universities our yo chege mo ge manete ne na gele our universities in Kenya go in there is some laxity and among me chong bara moonlighting in the Jita universities in Mutanatama. Eventually and then the lecturer becomes everything in everything in Kenya like ko TV nga lecturer ti le menyo glass ko le ngono tani ko janet okay kigere ge in exam so there is a problem in Kenya the unemployment we have in Kenya is systemic. Among university cannot survive on its own. That is why most of the time on to get in your root go searchi in academic writing. He goes searchi PhD. Among the money. So the unemployment in Kenya is a big problem that we see. Now, however, if the area and the environment of business for example, I have good friends, me university, me a good friends, boyfriend, a girlfriend, most of the time getting a lot of too. University or street called food. University outside girl food in matao ingenang nyoru nganya nye kwa so chang na chima kello tu ge ni pi enu no kyo mi sen entry ta no re ne ka ba ngan en around the university sabara en di go chege tiol do chuko mongwe university ka graduated with good grades like ne nyokol do in food within some few years ko to mo ta the masters ko ka kwal gori ko ga chege tuan the two ago ga go nam the business nebo tuition about English very fast. I got to know that leg and you go in Amituagi, those were the capital you to like this one. So it took us 3 months to get this one. Now more in Chitona in the Bogania, Kotari University, Senior was a let or naming flat guno. My own Gabasa, more than land university, in that university phobia in Kenya. Yane, E.T. University. It's one article about university. It does not matter. You're making the skills. You change your papers into money and into things. So the government as they move towards the hustler fund, because they have a long way to go. Among one go to get the ideas and ready to work. The businesses change more. That is why Motagi water missing because yak to get Motagi water missing. So Rabin John Basila took one and then you go wasting it. I go wasting it to get our again any business. Among that is where they actually moves. Like in the in a way. The SACO in terms of not John in terms of a bank, whereby the Torgo access in the Torgo mentor into business, mentor and into business. The county, the government, the rural banks. Which are the mentor and that bank here just 24 hours, not 24 hours, 7 days. So every time you have your own group of saving and you have your idea you don't care fanden so I want to encourage our young people jobs creation belongs to most of the time individual person I want to go out of this we started poultry farming not because kigmagi triangle does it really work. Now the markup jigimekeni and jimekeni my wife in that poultry farm kumuche konetik somok chebo high school. Rabini ken chinyorwen yoto that time. Among nji ago that work ngomure saa 2 ang nusu. Kumego tindo kasi en yoto kongeti chokinoki beek ko yo memi indoi beek koba barak sobwone chegen yon kai. Lakini ka inyoru salary chesire itu ka kotomi teste chikobo tuo kotomi teste ko. So it is like if we take people back to the basic, we are still a country developing. Okay, met the coping of as the policies of government, coping from countries, America, very many years of living. So if we realize that the ground one scenario. Ongen abro kai muaile ni ground most of the time ongen ole janet muje matana missing mure ni ko ngeben ground ni leji wir ungine ngenye ke leji ni wir wejine so onyo
Me too.
Okay
Mage mete check.
Go by the one. So onyo a group na le ani neno ko le mo gitinya kasi ko le demo ko le to ko tebe ni leji ni wir something. Among you know, in one of my cousin here, Pogitam group again. Jenage. Well, about the Janasi. Well, my way using your mailing, talking again, my way. Come me in cousin. So we need to think of how to create, how to make our jobs go talk. I am one guni, on Dongo guni, in the art internet, the name Miyagi, like Kenya. Kubicha in the Kibu and the Ratchet. So also kuchombo Turkana anaile chombo Turkana uliane aya right now como portingeni kiangazi nguni wala mbacha kajado go be tiongi gan chugure chumpe yani go be au kogere ni mo ene minister with confidence wala go be 243 elephants aya ago tugu ke buone cheibu ni foreign exchange ko country au go abde kabari ni kabar no ago ni nyong gericho akere we juna ko kiru bana ko bang bunu ro bonne food ko ganyi mele ni le is a problem aya lakini now ko transparent that food ko chichi te nitamo mo le Kenya ne everyone for himself lakini God for us amoni there is no proper plan. As among in giving a target go some ideas, governors. If we have an harvesting place, harvesting place, farmer to producing, now the challenge was everyone was not willing. So the business people should take now position. Agi stoenge ako ya no wana biashara wana siasa gole kumparchige siasa kiko the business community ko taken over. They are planning those food will be there, and then we also control as a country ourselves. Stay in bicha in jota amuni. What does it really unless for me they then meaning nenge are ni angonole no say amuni mi journalism. And so Jomi no moiteju a moto moite nyali as a country. And as you talking again, Jungo begin a lot of something. I'm not really sure. Like not because of the real thing, the real issue can cover in the country. Okay, me then too. So my take on asla fande ko nyol proper planning you go get the cycle nagiga job Dr. D yeah ko gi job side that the banks ko mine you lakini mami ginebo yani ko le approve nang gityo as agobe aktu ge gona rabine from asla fan straight abara acheng lega wan dagana ku wore se go biti na technical problem en gwenon abur gidyo bengi mise masa nyo ge karta se gap chana tuwa so ako nyo ro ban bara bine ko ni ko basi mo ta mun ga le bendi ni si mo straight. So there has to be a different plan, and the plan is let's have community banking elemi mo nyotan asigot ke tailor the interests konamge at the kind of work ne mo chegi promote in your. So unless because ki mutubi ke changi mo in ke mangen biashara, if we don't have what it is funded konyo uno me tu bigi agin to be ko begin rabi se jota mo quality na gen ko. So that is it. And then when we come back to the machines in 21st century, I really beg to differ with the politicians in attacking the machines. In fact, right now it has been even tailored to many small-scale farmers. Machine not on the lake in
gero arab langat ngete chito ne private ko cheng machine ne pute amu matindo employees atya nyokowe kole makimakchini factory kuip machinishek ako biik wananchi small scale farmers kotindoi their own small machines. How fair is it?
I really beg to differ with them. The only thing we will see things as a holistic. The only thing the leaders could deal in the rates. The rates you got 200 and something. I think 264 per acre. That is the issue. Rates. However, the mechanization, what is most of them go give my doctor Dr. Langat no doctor in Mutai go in Dr. Archo. Doctors too. I think before making a decision, it should be informed by the research. And the research we know how many people in counties to charge. As far as I know, mabuti biga sigis kabisa. Minanti mabuti yung ito. Magtabi in kubukubuti chai.
Arab langat ameje kityo an example no boyin. Kinge growing up, I'm sure when you are growing up, when you know probably now say much younger. Kogi jam go mite pi chegi jam go bete bawin ke boishe in machine na gi jam ge koro. Bago sobe. Kubi chegi jam kupute ananjegi bete bawin kogi go sobe. Kotasta tungai technology koi tiamangire. Kubetya go sobe gi jato ko piche ka targeti go bi chok sai. In fact mago mi ki go ba bichugi jam go bete bawin piche ka mai nyuru ko mai nyuru go tin mugo go yat na gi jam ge bre go mu bete ji ga pasa go mago mi. Kita na ya ni ogon got ko ne bin ne ke butai machine she ko bi kya go jam technology. In fact ogo ko changa bi kyo che ko ye machine she ju usi kunala so mongen
we could have now taken that opportunity again. This is the like for example China new normal right now. Go slowing the economic age of that one new normal to innovations. So the same thing applies to the machine. We should have changed now ourselves into the new normal technology. Again, what are our people going to do? So maybe they train technicians up to machine. At the same time, we empower them. Most of us, technicians machine and innovating a better one to so I beg to differ with the machines like any at the same time go China pass in involving and then make the decision through a research can I get I actually loosen this one. what can we do at this time, because this is where we are heading to. Okay, get that opportunity. So otherwise, the machines itself, every one of us put into that machine at home. Kuna again to work with me machine no ton we kutindo jitu loga abuta jita mana kong jita nege chai. And then at the same time, when there is something new, online jobs, so and then change, okay, this is where we are heading to. So let's give technology time. I go technology in
Kongoi Arap Langat kimite kasarta ne gumeani technology konyo overtaken engineer inye ko engineer ne jobe tuguk ako technology ko tesetai ko walakse. Kimi kasarta ne nguno kenoe lakwet kele kijanayat anan chepto kotom kesich. Kimi kasarta ne nguno ko nekit kokwerigei karit. Abwati ale olong'wong'et ko kakechop nekit kechop kimong lorit nekwerie newendi kong'etege California akoi New York amami chi orit. Tukchu tugul chu mi remote control ko kito ne kabo suppose keborchigei ko keigu innovative simutai kechobe tukchuto chu chobe tuguk anan che wolei akot ndachobe biikab Kericho mashinit nito nikipute chaik komuchi ko innovaten ak konyo kochop ak kwoldochi kampunishechu. So ngemete noto for another day ako agere kasarta kakwo kimeche kemwa kongoi Kiplangat Jonathan agerin Mark Cheruyot Dorcas Kirui ak akwek tugul chetosubet ameche keweke nyekebwa kitinye tebutik aeng kityo mako tebutiet akot kimeche keker kele takeaways tuguk chekakenyorchi ng'alalet anan tindiotab Arap Langat kone atya nyekeweke kekonin imwa ng'alekuk chebo let Arap Langat ko ameche ketoune Osea ameche ketaunen imwoiwech ile takeaways chekuket chekainyorchi Arap Langat kone asikebwa Janet atya ketar kunotok akikochi boroindo komwa ng'alekchik chebo let. Osea.
Kongoi balozi chang ng'alek chekaib, lakini ng'alek cheng'ering'en ko ng'alyot nekaib ko ng'alekab innovation, ngeigu innovative. Another thing ko ngeyai research ama itou ki age tugul ko iyai research about it. Ak kit age ko nekanyorchi Arap Langat iegu chi neu outgoing, meigu chi ne comfortable. Amu inendet ko ki mwalimuyot lakini matikole bekchin as a P1 teacher kikoadan value somanet ak ole kokoit. Ako ngiyai kit iteshi kit age ngoka walimu kora iteshi mung'ara yani keyai package. Kit age nekanetegei ko chang opportunities chekenomchini kebebertab China. It's upon aje ke-explain ongebe back to this episode sinyoru more information about olimbo China. Techotok eng saishekab back to you balozi.
Kongoi nye Osea ko ameche kenyoru Janet asikobit Janet.
Kongoi balozi, netai alen kongoi missing Joel eng ng'alalet ak kanetutik chekaikonech eng betutab rani. Kongoi amu kenyo show ninyo ak asubik cho kora, kongoi abwati ale kokemi kokainetkei agenge anan ko aeng, and I hope that will take you, further and go eat the next step. So ng'alek kidogo chekanetege balozi ko netai ko kakale Joel, it is easier to negotiate after doing the work. Ako abwati ale challenge nitong neo missing nekitindoi eng biik chok chebo gaa. We don't want to put in the work. We want to first see what is in it for me, anan kimeche korok kele ilipanoje tia anan ikonone. So kimeche ke negotiate na magi proven ourselves. And abwati ale this mentality, we first of all did the work at sigebendi ke negotiate ni kelen, okay, give me these terms. We would benefit a lot. Amuko kage netai, we have proven our worth. Atyo kai proven jigele this thing works. So I think that was one of my biggest takeaways. Atyo number 2 ko kuyaka ko mwa Hosea ko kale ngalekap innovation. Ungegu open to innovation, but at the same time, let us kegu wise and how we execute these things. Joel in many ways, from how technical like handle lagok to how technical like handle ngalega biashara, ngalega negotiations with other countries. It is kita neganet kane missing ko the small things ko count any to the big things a lot, and I think we can name a lot of examples from that innovation. So ngiwe China chi, and then whenever you do anything, make sure your impression negetao the small things ketao nega the impression nega certain the very word go might determine the outcome nebo whatever big and then grand goal negating the never so mogi kochang opportunities. It is just as to take advantage of it, especially in China. Sige taret kora sergalit matkele sergalit kitiongon try to balance the trade, because at the end of the day ko sergalit kwa cheget the government is us, and we have to do the work of trying to balance the trade between China and Kenya. So on get taken advantage never opportunities Joel Kole, it is easier machine it a small machine angot ne handle ni chitagenge ago picture jango the people put in a lot of money tegichanga do for medical fund and then for whatever fund do changa nige agwal machine it agotao something in a community. I want to challenge every community and then anybody nega songyo nega match ko taken an impact ochanga nangot kidogo ago some machine solve a simple problem nemite your community and see how that grows. So creating our own jobs. Apwatiale suppose ke moving away from thinking ngigen sergalit and then ngigen gegonate something. Kagle opportunity meets the one who is prepared. Matko egitiongon luck that we are waiting for, and angele hope. Agle hope kuma pay any bills. It is just hope does not also work. Hope is hard work. It is putting in the work that actually does the magic. So I want to just challenge all of us, including myself, to focus on the small work or small hard work checking day, because at the end of the day it will add up. And then last but not least is limite opportunities check about China. So I just want to encourage especially our young people we are tak agi chekan chang tugun me online. So many kaseti tangot puchigere advertisements where got these embassies, they are all online. Goti muchi we Facebook, imuchi we YouTube. You can definitely find all these opportunities. So go there, find the opportunity that is right for you, and reach out. And you may not know that opportunity committed, they're prepared. When it is not hope, it is not luck, it is nothing. You have to be prepared. So your opportunity at the right time. So Kongoi Missing Joeli, thank you for sharing your experience. I know we have a lot to learn from you. We will continue to engage. Kongoi Missing, thanks for coming to our show. And thank you.
Kongoi nye Janet, kongoi osea kebrono, ago ngebebertanyu ko kuyige mwa Janet ko Kenya ko spend a lot of time on the internet. Ago go to limbaga kilibani jegile bundles. Yani ngomi internet ilibani bundles. So the question is, yo ilibani bundles konene igere ng internet ngaba tebing nyutale nagere konege sa 11 nebo koskole nyungolo kutogo mibi online. Ko the question ngaleju tugul gomite ngial gasetit konene igere. So isomani kityo politics anan iwende ko classified ulegindoi advertisement jobo scholarship ak tukyo tugul. So boisie nafasi notok amu information is knowledge kuye mwae chi. Ngolyo nabas la fund ko kamwa Joel ngyo kole ngot ko kase biikab serikali ndemukokse ogerole kokichop sikikoitoe chepkondochu kobun community banks kobwa kechanelen akoi counties atya nebo komonut ko meche ngoibe biik rabinik makikochin individual, kikochin groups. Ko ngiboibe ko kawai research ole tos ne neyomeche nyoite simo duplicate na kimwa kele duplication of duties yani nyekeba tugul boda kotko makomi chi nekimuti osea ngotinye ole tugul kobet tugul omun ngo ko biik kochute kora so keker kele kakiyai tuguk alak cheter kora so simakiyai tuguk che kokeny ko kararan keyai research yo imeche iyai ki kotomo itou mung'ara iyai research miten no kele feasibility studies che ikere ile tos imukoksei kii singinye bi wendi ile keyai kiyotok iro ile kaiyai research neititaat ko biik chotindoi kamuket cheimeche itou biashara kidogo ko ndemukoksei ko nekateyoktoi chi kolin anan imuchi chito neu Joel ityem iro ile keng'ololchin person anan irutoi kiwo akoi olindo bo China ibiker ial mashinit kidogo neimuchi nyokwai boisionotok sipial eng yundok ial ne genuine akiibu nyokotoretin. Diversification ko ki nebo iman yani ketyem mende maikuk kitonget agenge tyem ibara sikoto ngisome sukul ko mutai ngimwa komelen kityo kyai ker nguno ku Joel ko kimwa ine kole kyai science something ko nginye iteschi notok ko emetab China ko kaokas ole mi opportunities kimeche biik chebo engineering mi tuguk chekekure economic science in economics engineering tugun cheu cho so ko ngiteschi notok ako kamwa eng yo kole ndemukokse otyem obe international schools simutai nginyo ko international ko nyamnyum inyoru boroindo atya anyun rutochi embassies embassy ko kikinde anan embassies chemitei Nairobi tugul ko saa zingine ngitebe osea ilechini cheng'wa scholarship imuche kotiratgei akiwe Nairobi ngemi uni bisungukan embassy karibu mut ngotimeche iwe emotinwek mut ko ngechunde embassy komi chi nekele education attaché ko nyekaiteb chichi kikure education attaché itebe ilechi keba sukulishek chemitei emeng'ung ko ne ak ne nekemoche kokonin listit anan kekonin brochure netindoi tukchotok tugul singibitebe ko kaiyai research neititaat akinai ile ano ole imeche iwe akitebe kora yekakokonin brochure itebe ilechi tos ing chutachu otindoi scholarships cheokoitoi kemwoun kelechin woi anan ko achicha ityem icheng tukchotok ngemakun chemyach chitab Kalenjin kimwoe kele knowledge is education ako boroindo opportunities kocheng'e chito ko chito nekapkocheng manyokocheng'onun opportunities inyendet icheng'e opportunities sikobwa akwanyun akot ndami opportunities chotinye anan kotinye osea anan ko Janet anan ko ng'o kikochin chito neketuchigei mananyo kotepche eng yun ako expectan kole meche sikonyitchi Joel anan konyitchi osea anan konyitchi Jael. You have to fill the application iyai tuguk chemokotin si anyun nyeimwa ile kwae chu ameche itoreto eng yu komi chu kobo green card kesponsan biik komashoena biik kipkonyit ako kakesponsan so iblemeni ng'ong tuguk cheu chotok ongeku biik chekimong'u aketeb information sikotoretech okoi yotok kemeche kikochi inendet Joel sikokonech ng'olionyi nebo let kimeche kemwoiwo kongoi akere chito nebo UDA party eng Australia diaspora mission team kongoi Cheruyot Timon Evans Koech Kiplangat Johnson mongen ale imyeno kongoi ing akwek tugul chekaosubech sharean this information mak kongoi Dorcas Kirui kongoi ak akwek tugul chekonyoru boroindo anan chekoib nafas sikobit osub tetutioni kimong'u kele kainetkei amu kongoi Joel kimakun chemyach kimokchini family neng'ung chemyach lagochu kemwoe tugul ngosulda ng'oliot the power of the tongue is always very powerful lakwet nokele meche koek journalist ngoberurin Jehova koek journalist nokemeche koek daktari ngoek daktari engineer koek engineer ngemakun chemyach inendet Winnie kemeche kemakun chemyach yeitesetai iyae tuguk cheu chotok ikilgei tun kakibwa nyekerutochin Noah imite olimbo Doha kongoi Sang Victor kongoi ing akwek tugul chekaosubech kimeche kemakwok chemyach ko meche kekonin imwa ng'olyong'ung nebo let ng'alekuk chebo let Joel yo kimakun chemyach. Joel, karibu. Muted, Joel.
I'm muted. Okay.
Yeah.
Na on behalf of my wife, I hope that time we'll be together in Chechang. And then the empowerment program, we usually have them. We will also be joining the group. Now, in the last shot and then bad shot. I'm one number one only, especially now to the county governments. Especially the hospitals in Kenya. I have some clients that I'm on your computer to go in. Authority on your machine during that time some machines the factory China in that country. I want to encourage them right now, if we want to change our system, let's embrace getting the machines from here. I go with anybody. Like right now, a customer and somebody could portable and X-ray. Because of technology, camera number number journalism kawaida TC results so and the machine is not expensive. I am many others in China in pharmacist machine subscribe win the shelves check so technology, especially in medical field, the much in big and a note among me in Lesotho with some good machines authority in it will encourage let's start a general checkup. In China, my parting shot now. The country right now, and country the Economist, there is me away and me about take off. Center of a place. So as the leaders of the country in we focus so much now to lead, not to prove them wrong. On give the value addition, on give the plan properly, I plan and to go as a country in go as those people who are close to leaders, Kotaki Bang and to Ingo. Uganda ne kuku kyaldi ne I've been looking for avocados ku Uganda ko come very fast amon ko Kenya let's go inside plan ake let's do it fast in that one is never every leader about the country potential right now. We are at part of next level. Number two, no one will make you happy. No one will bring you food on table. That is why kikikochi biik tugul eunek kokerkeit. Tuten biik che rahisi koibuntu. Ako kiite kele akot en echek chechang kingen Bible kele kakilo toret chemalionen chemaimuchegei. Kikimete kityo en yoton missing. Ndatakesomani Bible konisoman en koitet anan en reasoning nekibo Yahudik ko nemamuchegei ko chito nematindoi uwezo nebo borto. So no one will make you happy. It's yourself to do that. And at the same time, every time opportunities go. I go see every time the opportunities come in what we tried at home. It's enough for the last one, everyone business is a game changer. So let's align everything. Me farming farming agro and agribusiness. Ni mi ni tuago matake ke tata tuago tiuch ngenyor tuaga ni en barabara lo anabendi tuluon bako mo siasa ko to stag tuon bendi tourist onge ai agro ichoki aga tu to kige business and lastly kiguye gele most of the time right now netinye ai boisio noton ko gun as ago tayari getinye kitinye masigit no chang bi kyo mi che so you have to work extra hard as ko bit genyo tu jot aga ge swen kityo le anybody ne machi ne anything from China, especially machinery up to jumbo investment to go Italian ne don't hesitate contact and then you will get the right level Chinese. So we need to have somebody in and we have that plan. It is possible to be done. I want to encourage the president and the leaders of our country. It is possible to move people out of poverty. In China, we're moving 800 million people. So I took time about some of the villages. It was really bad, but so it is possible with plan against the big tool and banana and enemy. As let's value our work. Valuing our not in Lunet. Thank you very much.
Kongoi nye Joel en ngalale ngong kongoi tukyoto tugul ko kacham ngolyondo na ketare ile China ko kimuch komong 800 million people out of poverty in kenyisiek 13 possible kechop kunotok en Kenya ngot kokilgei chi tugul ongikilgei ngole kimi kuye kakimwa Joel ko nekit koroboni kebeberta nebo Kericho nebo Nandi koroboni lakini ngikas ngibirchi biik simet kolen ye kaking'et eng rubet ame makitinye ngwek akoroboni so boisie nafas neitinye sikobit robata roboni komuchi koek business anan koek mung'aret anan koek rabinik so ngikilgei ngemakwok chemyach kasubikyok ngemakwok chemyach kongoi Lilian kongoi Noah Kip kongoi Sang Victor ak akwek tugul chekosubech kimeche kemwoiwo kongoi chi tugul kongoi engineer kongoi Osea ak Joel kokikesu tetutiet nebo betutab ra akoi next week anan
Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwatene imwoe Nee Chitab Kalenjin ilele nenye Igere Nee Chitab Kalenjin ibwatene imwoe Nee Chitab Kalenjin
Thank you.